Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing the video on this right here. This is the ST120 Plus from Fluke. I'm gonna tell you straight up, you're gonna wish you had this. And after you watch this, you can order it. I will leave the link down below. You can buy this and it will help you with your troubleshooting. It will also help you find the circuit that you need. And if you buy from my link, it will help my channel grow. Now, I'm gonna open this up. We're gonna take it over here. I'm gonna tell you all about it real quick. It's gonna be a pretty quick video, but this thing is pretty amazing. I've seen it before on a few TikTok videos, and I thought, my gosh, I gotta get one. And I'm gonna tell you, watch the difference this will make. So stick around, guys. All right, as you saw in the background, you saw the panel that was on the first part of this video. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug this into a receptacle. We're gonna make sure it's working correctly with all the lights and everything. This thing is amazing. Why? Because it gives you an audible alert, that's why. No more sticking your pin tester in a receptacle like I'm gonna do right here to show you, because this happens to all of us. You may not do it the way I'm gonna do it, but this does happen to all of us. So here it is right here. And you know yourself, you've done this before. You had to prop something up just to keep that pin test straight, and what happens? You go back to the panel, you start flipping breakers, you don't hear it no more. So you're like, oh, you walk back over here, and it's sticking a little bit out of your receptacle, and then you're like, huh, it must be off. Only to find out it wasn't. With this, there's no way you would not know it's off. And I'm gonna show you why. Obviously, because it has a plug-in. You plug it in, boom. It tells you if the receptacle is correct. Obviously, if it is, it'll say correct. Now, it's not gonna detect a bootleg, but it will tell you if it's correct. It also will test your GFCI. I have a few drawbacks about this thing, which I'm gonna tell you in the end, but I have a remedy for that. And then you slide this little button, beep, over, and it goes beep, and it's very annoying, and you can't mistake it, and you can hear it all over, even in a house, echoing off all the walls, even if you got carpet, you'll be able to hear it. So let me plug this in, we'll check the GFCI, we'll go turn the breaker off, and I will show you just how amazing this is. So let's not kid ourselves, guys. Let's be honest. How many times have you had to prop your pin tester in here just to see, and then that's what happens. It comes out, and then there you are. Wishing that you didn't have to walk all the way back to the panel. So with this, you plug it in. We'll make sure the GFCI is working. It is correct. You can see by the correct amount of lights around here. Like I said, we'll not check for a bootleg ground. You know what a bootleg ground is. If not, I'll leave a video link and you can see it. However, let's check this GFCI and see if it works. Okay, so we know that it works. It chips it out. We'll reset this thing. We'll plug this back in. And this is what I'm talking about right here. This is the amazing part of this right here. Now listen close. Oh, that noise. So let's go to the panel and let's see if we can find the breaker. So, as you saw, we found the breaker. The noise went off. No chance of us not knowing because the lights were off when I turned it off. So now we know it's back on. We want to turn it back off. That noisy cricket noise will definitely be off. What a time saver that was. I'm gonna tell you right now, what an amazing product the Fluke came out with. Now, I did tell you a couple things that I'm not big on, and I'm gonna tell you right now, two things. So with the regular outlet tester, GFCI tester, whatever you wanna call it, it's so much more sleek. See how much difference that is versus this? So, I mean, it's kind of obtrusive. Obtrusive? I don't speak in big words, so it's kind of big compared to this, where this is, you know, I mean, put this in your pocket. This one would be kind of not so good in your pocket. But the way to combat this is, the only way to combat this is to get a case. Now, I will leave a link down below to both of these items. Here's what the case looks like. You drop it in, zip it up, and you can hang it on your belt, you can hang it on your tool belt, your van, whatever, but you can hang it up and it stays safe in there. It's not gonna be good in your pocket, I can tell you that. Now, if you got a shirt pocket, you know, it may be good in your shirt pocket, but I will tell you, in your front pocket. I will say though, my opinion, probably within a year or so, just a guess, I'm just guessing, I think Klein or somebody's gonna come out with one, or somebody's gonna come out with one like that where you can hear the audible alert, because I'm telling you right now, that is an amazing, amazing addition to an outlet tester. I just wish it wasn't made like that one, like the Fluke one, but it is nice. I'll leave the link down below, and it does help you. It saves so much time. If you buy from my link, which I've already mentioned, it will help my channel grow, and all this money keeps going back here so I can keep buying these products. Guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, that is an amazing, amazing piece of equipment. If you wanna see how to make the best wire joint, click right up here. I will catch you in that video. We can see exactly together how to make the best wire joint and how you can become the best electrician you can be. Guys, if you like what you see here, make sure you like and subscribe. And if I've given you any value, hit that thumbs up. God bless, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great day.